Hi, my name is Jessica Delfino. I'm a musician in New York City. I also teach guitar and ukulele, and you can find out more information about that at urocknyc.com. That's YOUROCKNYC.com. And today we're going to work on how to make a doorbell sound with your guitar. So there's a couple different ways to do this. Doorbells are usually kind of high pitched, so we're going to go to the higher register of the neck, way up high here. I'm on the 12th fret, and we're going to take our ring. I've got my ring finger on the B string, and I've got my middle finger on the E string, high E string, and we're going to sort of go between them to make that ding dong sound, and it's going to sound something like this. Whoops, let's see. There we go. So first you're going to pluck the E string, and then you're going to pluck the B string. So again, it sounds something like this. And you can really let it ring if you want to really simulate that doorbell. So basically, you want to make sure that you're fretting these strings really hard. You're pushing really, really good and hard, and your fingers are not touching any of the other strings around them. Because if you're not pressing hard, or if you're touching other strings, it's going to sound kind of muted, and that's not a doorbell. There we go. So another thing you could do is you could go to maybe your second fret with your middle finger and do kind of a hammer-on action where it's a, or let's say, maybe on the 4th fret, actually, it might be a little better. Let's try that. So that's a little bit of a lower sounding doorbell. And the way that I do that is I pluck the string first. I pluck that I fret the E string on the 4th fret, pull it with my thumb to get that first sound, and then pull it off with my left hand. So I'm actually pulling down and pulling on the string to get that sound. I'm not actually plucking the string. That's all done just with my left hand. So pluck, pull down. And those are a couple ways to make doorbell sounds. Have fun, lots of luck to you, and thanks for watching.